Hello there, I've been tagged by Ants Allotment and Mike Hurdiss to answer these 5 questions and then do 5 tags for other people as we go. So we'll start by answering the questions. Now I'm going to have to use my notes because there's a lot of them. Now the first question is, why an allotment? Now as you know, we're not actually allotmenteers at the moment, but I used to have an allotment many years ago. The allotments weren't fenced in, so we used to lose quite a bit of our produce. So I gave the allotment up, and then what we found was that if we buy houses, we always found one with a big garden. So there was enough room for the children, the flowers and my vegetables. And the largest one we had was a 3-acre nursery. My second question is, why YouTube? Well, I was talking to Diane about what we're really going to do when we're retired. And she says, well, being that you're always in the garden, let's make videos of you doing the garden so you can pass a few tips on to other people. Now, we were a bit nervy and made a few mistakes at first, but really enjoy doing it now, so the videos will continue for quite some time, hopefully. But the third question, how long have you been growing? I could just say a long time, but I'll explain to you how. My introduction to gardening was in a walled garden, believe it or not, in 1956, maybe 57. I was only young then, and I used to help growing the tomatoes in an old lean-to greenhouse in the corner of the walled garden. And then I developed a passion for growing, and it's been with me ever since. Later on, I qualified in horticulture and I went on to be head gardener. We are retired now and we make videos. Now the fourth question is, what do you grow? It's a difficult question really, because we all grow different things that we try each year, but basically we do a 3-year rotation down there. So we grow legumes, alliums, brassicas, tuberous crops. We also have soft fruit area. We have fruit trees. We have the grapevine. And then in the greenhouses we grow tomatoes, cucumbers, peppers. And then in between all that, I interplant with the salad crops, so it's quite a full garden. And we try our best to grow all the vegetables that we need. Now, as in all vegetables, we always get too many, so we always give some to the family and friends. Okay? Now, the 5th question is, what is your favourite thing to grow? Now, I had to have a think about this, and I think my favourite crop to grow is brassicas. Now the reason being that there's a lot of varieties in the brassica family, and they will crop all year, so you'll be producing a crop all year from your Brussels sprouts to your spring cabbage. There's always a brassica ready in the garden at some stage, so they're my favourite. But to tell you the real truth, I enjoy growing them all, and that's what I do. I grow vegetables, so I really do enjoy growing them. Right, now the other thing we have to do is we have to tag 5 more people. So the first one I'm going to tag is Viv, at What Viv Did Next. Now she's based in London and is very experienced, and she's a very handy person. She does lots of things herself. She also cooks what she grows, so she's always worth a watch. I like Viv. Now Viv has just had an operation on her knee, so we hope you get well soon, Viv, and just take it easy for a bit, and we'll see you when you're back in your garden, okay? My second one is the Colliery Garden. This is Rachel. I don't know if you've ever watched Rachel, but she's worth a watch. She's up in the northeast. And yes, people do garden that far up north. She's a very, very enthusiastic gardener. She grows a good variety of crops and is well worth a watch. So good luck with your next season, Rachel. My third one is Ants Allotment. Now, Ant is in Southend. Now, Ant's only had his plot for just about a year, or perhaps just over a year now. He works very hard on this plot and he produces some good stuff. So, all the best for your new season, Ant, and well done, mate, you've done well. My fourth person is Sean James Cameron, Diary of a UK Gardener. Sean's a very experienced gardener and has just taken on 2 new plots down in London. He's going to call them the railway allotments. He's going to grow by the cycle of the moon. That's new to me, so I should be watching you, Sean, on that one. And also a wartime kitchen garden. Very interesting. See if you can get some of those old varieties going there, Sean. Good luck to you, Sean, with your new projects, and try to avoid the sharp fins. Take care, Sean. My fifth and final one will be Allotment Diggers, Mark. Now, Mark has a tidy plot, and I believe he's north of us, I'm not quite sure. He grows a good variety of crops, got fruit trees and all sorts on that plot. He keeps chickens and he absolutely loves the wildlife. Well done, mate. He plants a lot of spring bulbs and he loves the Wilkinson sales. But Mark is a very nice chap and always entertaining. So good luck, Mark, in the new season. And that'll be my 5 people tagged. I do apologise if you've already been tagged, but good luck to everybody doing yours. That'll be my 5 questions and my 5 people I've tagged. So take care, everybody. See you soon. Bye now.